In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Xero. Whether you're doing this as a routine security measure or because you've forgotten your old password, changing your password regularly is a good practice to keep your account secure. Let's walk through the process. First up, let's start by navigating to the Xero homepage. This is where your journey to updating your password begins. Xero's interface is user-friendly, so you should find navigating through the site fairly straightforward. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. This action is your gateway to accessing your account details, so you're on the right track. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. If you've forgotten your current password and that's why you're here to change it, you'd have clicked on a forgot password link earlier in the process to reset it via your email. For now, let's assume you know your existing password and are able to log in. After inputting your email and password, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Voila, you're now in your account, ready to take the next step towards changing your password. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo, which should be visible in the dashboard. If you don't have a profile photo set, look for a placeholder image or your initials in the same area. The location is usually quite intuitive towards the top right. Clicking on your profile photo opens a drop-down menu with a few options. Here you want to select Account. This action will take you to the account settings where you can perform various adjustments, including changing your password, which is precisely what we're here to do today. In the account settings area, you'll find the option to change your password. This option is critical for maintaining your security and ensuring that your account remains protected. It's the gateway to updating your password to something new, so proceed with confidence. Once you click on Change Your Password, you'll be prompted to enter your current password as well as your new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is generally recommended for enhanced security. After you've entered your new password and presumably confirmed it by typing it a second time, look for an option to update preferences. Your journey is almost complete. Clicking this will save the changes you've made, effectively updating your password, and with that you've successfully changed your password on Xero. Remember, keeping your password unique and changing it periodically is a key step in safeguarding your account from potential security breaches. It's a small action that can have a big impact on your digital security. A helpful tip to remember is that if you use your Xero password for other accounts, which is not recommended, be sure to update those as well. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's crucial for maintaining overall security across all your online accounts. Changing your password regularly, especially in today's digital age, is more than just a recommendation, it's a necessity. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, taking proactive steps like these can save you from potential headaches down the line. To wrap up, always ensure your new password is something you can remember but challenging for others to guess. If you ever have trouble remembering your passwords, consider using a reputable password manager. These tools are designed to help you manage your passwords securely, making it easier to follow best practices without sacrificing convenience. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on how to change your password on Xero. Whether you're tidying up your digital security or simply updating your login credentials, these steps will ensure you do it quickly and safely. Remember, staying proactive about your account security is the first step towards safeguarding your digital presence. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.